And then how many type, as he said to you, this is we have 25 different types of these tools. This is the way to make this all design. And how many design of the carving? There is about 25 different designs of the motif in total. Yeah? But for the figure itself, how many characteristics in complete? There are 350 different characters. And this is long time ago for the spectacle. Yeah, and the inside of the spectacle, it is then used for the education, to explaining what the two different characteristics of the energy between the nature, universe, and also the human. So that's why in the entire process we have two different types of the process. The first process that we done with carving, second process that we done with the coloring. So these two different processes that we can see from the shadow, silhouette, and the carving, and then this is from the other side, from the front side. Now, and then about how that we talk about the concept of behind of the puppet like this, it is we explaining about the definitions of the philosophy, the specific 5 characteristic concept of the principle from the animism. Animism it is the base of Japanese belief before religion came to Japan. So in this concept of the animism that we talk about 5 principles is about philosophy itself, about nature, and then about spirituality, personality, and then energy, all together. That's why when you see the motif in the puppet like this, every single part of the design, they are with something. And from those 25 of the different motifs, started begin with the bottom part. This is the symbol of the 4-element energy of the nature. The first we talk about earth, second we talk about fire, third we talk about air, and then fourth we talk about water. But how we could recognize every single part of them, we begin with this outline, the entire form altogether, yet is the symbol of the earth energy. And then the second process, we try to make very tiny design of the carving, like flames. Here, this is a symbol of the fire element energy. And then this carving design right here, it is air. And then altogether inside as the motif is the water. But this aspect of the concept behind all of those language form, there's to recognizing about ourselves. Because what the earth means for, that is explaining about our body, external concept. And then fire, it is about our spirituality. But how this spirituality it work with is with our intellectual characteristic, energy. And then air, it is about how that we live with the communication, so that we could understand the connection and the disconnection. Water, this is our blood, to let us understand about our family line heritage. So how the human exactly historically came from. And then after this all energy, we try to start it also about the internal connection. How this energy is connecting or living inside our body and soul. That's why we make the sense of the flower. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this flower, each of them, they are the one that living with this energy functions. So what the earth functions for, it is for the instinct, connection. Fire, it is for the concept of the desire, connection. Air, it is for the respiration, connection. Water, it is for the feeling, connection. And so the earth instinct, it is mean power, external power, like body connection. Desire, it is our imperfection. We need to learn how to understand about our definition of the weaknesses. And then respiration is about true self, living with our own negativity energy. And then water, it is feeling, how we try to transform all this energy, connecting into our personal heart. It is a symbol of the heart. And the definition of the heart, there are the two different visual inside between the small carving detail and also the ornament. The small carving detail explaining about the definition of the spirituality and the sensibility, and the ornament, there are three. This is attached with their emotions, where the emotion has the three different important power between transition. That's mean about happy and sad, empathy, and then love. The love it is the highest one. Empathy is the other side here. Transition is the other side here. And then from these all connections, they are connecting into the two different aspect power between feminine and the masculine. The feminine it is connecting into the nature, masculine universe. How we speak about the sun, stars, sky, and then the moon. But how we could recognize every single part of it, we begin with the body of the bird. This is the symbol of the moon. The wings is the symbol of the sun. The feathers as the symbol of the stars. And then altogether universe. This is connecting into our inner mind, wisdom, management. So from this all central energy that we have, this is the one who opened up the highest concept beyond of everything. We speak about harmony. And harmony that we try to invoke into the three important values between love value, and then sexual value, and then the orgasm value. The three connections. This is the way to let us understand from how the life began to get into the whole being. Yeah. And then after this whole process of the carving design, and then we try to continue with the different process of the coloring. When you see the different color in every single part of the puppet like that, they are connecting into the few different aspects of the meaning behind to let us understand about our energy, what the energy exactly speaks for is for the equality. That's why when you see the gold color in every single figure of the puppet, they are the symbol of the honesty energy. And then also the white color as the purity energy, the blue color spirituality and the sensibility, the pink color happiness, yellow devotion, red emotion and loyalty, white black is the principle. That's the definition of the color. And from the 350 figure, automatically they have the few different subjects of their personality aspect. For example, if you see this figure, this is the one what we call Vishnu. But in the definition of the Vishnu, as the philosophical behind for, it is for the symbol of the strong personality. Maybe people can say principle, but it's also for the symbol of the intellectual character. Also for the symbol of the practical character, selective and realistic. If we try to figure out in the real life which position that Vishnu it has to do with the human activity or profession, we could explain about the doctor, lawyer, architect, engineering, scientific man, or teacher. This is the example of the figure.
Well,
It's like
complimentary.
thank you very much. Any more questions? You can ask anything if you have any question, or if you want to touch, want to try, you can.
Piace tutta